Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of volatility. US PMIs came in considerably above expectations this morning at 53.2, a strong expansion from what was already one of the world's best. Ford and Boeing both reported great results and an improving outlook. Apple also beat expectations. All this is in sharp contrast to yesterday's weak Chinese PMI contraction. Euro area manufacturing also unexpectedly expanded in July for the first time in 2 years, led by Germany, adding to sign the currency bloc's economy is emerging from their record-long recession. Reversing the trend of yesterday's news that existing home sales volumes grew less than expected, sales of new American homes rose in June to the highest level in 5 years, pointing to gains in residential construction that will support the economic expansion in the second half of the year. It certainly wasn't all good news and data out overnight. Equipment maker Caterpillar reported very disappointing results. They blamed declining demand from the mining industry and equipment dealers using less inventory. Sales from Australia were down significantly, and this inevitably raises the questions of the effects of lower economic growth in China. Markets had factored in the good earnings reports, but hadn't understood the implications for the Caterpillar result. This is why Wall Street is lower today, down from a record high overnight. Gold and oil are also down. Soon the RBNZ will announce the results of its OCR review. No changes expected, but we will be watching for signals on LVR speed limits and interest rate tracks. Join Bernard Hickey at 9 a.m. this morning for the most comprehensive analysis. The New Zealand dollar starts the day lower at 79.3 US cents, 86.6 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 75.1. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.